baby? What up, pimp?
Alright, so I got the package faster than expected. Ordered it on a Sunday. I don't know why, if no one's really open or delivers on a Sunday. But today is Wednesday. We got here, I believe, at 12. But I'm gonna open it up, show y'all what it looks like, and see what's up. And then the Astros are playing right now. We need to win this. Let's go, Astros. This is it, boys. The PRL Tgv Deletes. Been one of these for a while. Finally got the chance to order them. And it also came with EGR deletes. It was a good combination. Wasn't too much for the both. Oh damn. Oh man, these are real good. Oh shit, these are bigger than what I thought they would be. PRL. Oh shit. Really good material. This is dope. We're gonna install these on the weekend when everybody's off, like around noon, I think. We're gonna go shooting with a few friends of ours. Maybe I'll get a little footage of us shooting ARs or whatnot. But yeah, we'll see how the difference is with Tgv deletes and EGR deletes. And yeah, can't wait till Sunday. I'm hyped to shit.
Alright, Edwin. Explain what we're doing today.
We're about to install the Tgv deletes and EGR deletes. EGR deletes! Yeah, this is the EGR. Then you just leave it on the
Just flip it up and down. There you go. That's sweet.
Yeah. Ow!
Literally right there.
It's that you?
See?
No, you're damn.
That was gonna take off. What are we gonna disconnect? The sensor.
Yeah, no, I agree with Edwin. I already cut myself some on that shit. What the fuck?
Yeah, let's just get it. Oh, I got it. Disconnect the sensor. It's right here.
Is that the only screw? Got the EGR deletes, or just the EGR out in general. You see, finally got him out. Look at the difference. Fucking, I'll have way more air going through. I mean, I think they're the same, isn't it? Or that one says PRL, right?
Do you need these two or no?
Make sure
I'm gonna hold him
how
back.
you took them out. Gotta make sure the screws go in there with them.
This should be able to, but I should try to get rid of the EGR first.
You're gapping 5-0s.
Oh wow! No way! 5-0.
You're gonna be gapping like those? Look how you flinching for it.
I thought you were hitting
You
it.
recording?
They're still recording.
My fingers are dirty.
My hands are dirty too. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't matter. I don't know.
You gonna bring some gloves? Did you put them in?
Or should we try to take off the?
I mean, since we're already here, take off the EGR.
Because I know that he removed this whole thing.
You're gonna take off this whole little thing? No one
Bro, look how fucking disgusting this is. This hole is.
You didn't even bring a rag, huh? That's nasty.
You dirty, dude.
All that carbon.
That's
bro.
how dirty your panoche is.
Yeah, you dirty like a corn.
I have the napkins.
You gotta disconnect that hose right there. Oh shit, his hand isn't with. Okay. Okay.
Damn, I should have brought the long one.
Okay.
You're dumb. You got no pliers and didn't bring them.
I didn't want to use them yet. Nigga, we should remove this.
Yeah, go ahead and do that. You're smart. You're very smart, Edwin.
It looks like a female thing.
Get on the freaking electric wrench. Stupid boy.
Damn, this is still right.
Gee, you should like that's your fault. You should tell him it's his fault.
You're right. For letting me. Good shit. Is it lost now? No. Go away with my hand.
You might not ripping that shit watch.
It's not gonna rip. It's a hose. It's not even that old.
There goes the Gatorade.
My guy.
What?
You had a whole bottle for that. You know that?
It was too late. I had was yanking on it. Where's the napkin?
Nigga sitting in there.
I don't know. Probably in your ass.
I mean, it's all plastic.
Alright, there's one hose. Where's the other one at? Oh, don't tell me that's very down there. Is it like dug in here? Oh yeah, you're fucked. Where? It's like probably. Maybe take off your damn hat.
Stuck me with his watch.
Bro, like this is gonna be a pain in the butt. Oh no. Oh yeah.
From the box.
No, I feel like. Chris is over here leaking for this Edwin. Look at that blood. Dude, Edwin, you fucked me over. Oh, wow.
Like, everyone but you inside the car right now.
There you go.
Here's your napkin. Right here.
I'll bleed out until I take this shit.
Oh man.
I'm gonna die.
You're so ugly, bro. Piece of shit. Damn,
There's a drip of blood right there.
That's a whole bunch of AIDS right there.
I don't got AIDS like that.
You got AIDS.
Alright guys, we got some progress taken care of now. Well, gotta have to put the little L-shaped hose connected to those two hoses. But as you can see down there, we got a whole unique pool. Like that ass. Look at all this. Oh my god. I was running all the way down there because of this guy. You damn fucked up. Y'all fucked up.
I was coming down somehow.
Yeah, y'all gotta make sure to get them hoses. At least stick your finger in there from leaking all that coolant out. Yeah, damn. Hey, you got brake cleaner to clean all this up? Dude, you tripping. Okay, I don't gotta cut. Good thing. No, I don't want that. I don't. Oh, no, not right now. Yeah, cause there's like my blood, coolant, some Xbox. Dude, this guy's filter's dirty. Someone sent him a new one. All right. There's two nuts holding this whole piece down. And he got one of them out. It's too dark to see, but it's like deep in there. Can I see?
Not even with the light?
Nope. It's just in there.
Took it off.
It's in a very deep corner. The whole thing, yeah, that whole thing is loose now. Yo.
Take it off. You just fucking take it off. But break it if you have to, because we're not using it no more.
No, bitch. I have to remove the sensor. Finally got it out. God damn, all that carbon that's in it. Now we just gotta install this little 90-degree hose, or the two holes that was connected to that. So, you wanna do it?
Where are they at though?
Should be up
I
there.
grabbed the wrong one. Put it to
There's one down here. Oh, is that PTV?
Yeah. You just better put it to the wrong one, boy.
My car would have been fucked.
Yeah.
But now, at the EGR deletes. Oh, we still gotta put the bottom delete. The bottom.
Point it out.
The EGR deletes are right here. I don't know if you see it.
Yeah, you see the little studs?
Put the gasket. Make sure you take off the old gasket, though. You know what I'm saying? And put this right in there. There we go. Now I gotta get these 10mm bolts. 10, right? I think 10, something like that. Why you keep turning it on? No.
That shit's clean, bro. Look at that. I miss it. I was at the shop dealing with some problems. Yeah, I'll be back soon.
This top one.
Hell yeah, hit them top posts. Hit them top.
The Snap-on ain't no joke, boy.
That's the only thing I recommend buying from Snap-on.
These two actually.
Yeah.
Best thing you do to invest on Snap-on.
Other than that, Snap-on is fuck no, too expensive for all that crap. But all that, double check all the hoses connected. Have you sliding in the other one or the TGVs? Oh yeah, put them in. Easy sliding. You don't gotta take off the whole manifold completely. You just take off some bolts and some hoses in order to pick it up. You're able to slide it in. Center right there. Progress almost completed. Well, what do we say, guys? Like 90%? We're almost done with the whole story mode, with the whole contain. This piece. Look at this. It's for sale, guys. If y'all want it, hit them up.
Alright, dudes. You might have found the problem. It was that one? Nope. It was Nathan. One of the OEM TGVs.
Connectors.
The connectors. Nathan
left it inside the fucking TGV.
Oh, did he?
He left it inside.
And what? See that? I was looking for that.
Yeah, it was out. It was out right there.
No, it wasn't. It was inside.
Look how fucking chopped up this shit.
Is it? Bitch, that was. Well, it doesn't matter. I don't need it, but still.
Dude, that was like fucking creased up and shit, bro. Like,
that's probably why the car is like complete shit. No, is it? That was the reason why. Yeah, I ran my shit. Yeah. No, it's just we fucked up. You fucked up. Hey, as a team. I know. As a team, cause you didn't check my mistakes. Honestly, every time we work on each other's car, there's always a problem, dude. Oh. You ever
Hey, you're gonna go to my house? It's gonna flash his axis for it. Let's check his light is off. You're gonna turn that shit off. Clear all the memory. Finally fix the problem. Okay, what do you see right there? He left it right underneath the manifold. That shit was stuck in there. Stupid boy. Progress coming in.
Fuck, I'm about to drop it.
He's about to drop that nut.
Nathan!
Busting a nut, boy. Why are you flexing on other people's car? This man, like, he likes to, bro. You is whack. Keep at the wheels, guys. Custom made, 1 out of 1 in the whole world. It's litty titty.
Custom color. Brake dust.
Brake dust.